Autonomous driving isn't easy, even in sunny California. But how about in the harsh Nordic conditions? Extreme snowfall, icy roads, and pedestrians in the darkness are just some of the hazards. These conditions are challenging for people, so how does a robot car make it through the snow? Researchers at Aalto University in Finland are solving the problem. Meet Alex, the Aalto autonomous vehicle, a normal passenger car converted into a self-driving car.
So Alex has LiDAR on top. We can obtain 3D image of the environment with it, so we can see basically similarly to a normal human. Then car needs to be localized somehow, so we have GPS unit as well, so we know where we are. We are allowed to test drive on a public roads here in Otaniemi campus area. So for safety purposes, I actually sit here behind the wheel in case of something unexpected happens, so I can take over the vehicle still.
So the LiDAR-based localization is basically based on a pre-recorded map. And with the live LiDAR data that we are seeing, the algorithm compares the live data to the map and basically uses that information to figure out where the vehicle is. This is quite similar to a human person looking at a map and looking at specific key points and figuring out where they are inside the map.
So one of our main research focuses is actually autonomous driving in Finnish winter conditions. And what is a major problem in driving in the winter is that the road is entirely covered in snow, making it impossible to detect any lanes or so on. And what we've been doing is we've been training a neural network that is actually capable of detecting the road even in snowy conditions, which you can see here in this heat map. This is actually the output from the neural network. It's predicting where the road is. So snowfall is a major issue for autonomous driving because it makes it difficult for the sensors to see what is around the vehicle. And here you can see an example of LiDAR data during snowfall. All this noise around there, it's actually caused by snowflakes around the LiDAR, which cause the laser to reflect back to the LiDAR without actually seeing the surrounding environment. And what we've been developing is filtering algorithms that allow us to remove the snowfall from the LiDAR data. And here you can see a filtered result that has been filtered with our algorithm. The noise has largely been removed and the original environment is intact. So autonomous driving is likely to first be introduced to the market in summer conditions because that is easier for the systems to operate, but eventually we should get autonomous driving in winter conditions as well. And that is what really we are aiming for due to our natural location here in Finland, which gives us the advantage of researching these topics.